Common action verbs with sentences. Plant. What did you do in the garden? I planted flowers and vegetables. Travel. What did you do during your vacation? I traveled to Europe and visited several countries. Jump. How did you cross the river? I jumped from rock to rock. Sing. What did you do at the party? I sang my favorite song at the party. Run. What did you do at the park? I ran around the track. Dance. What happened at the concert? I danced to the music all night. Swim. What's your favorite activity in summer? I love to swim in the pool. Right. What's your homework for tonight? I need to write an essay about climate change. Cook. What did you do in the kitchen? I cooked dinner for my family. Read. What hobby do you enjoy? I like to read mysterious novels. Speak. What language do you know? I can speak English, Spanish, and French. Build. What did you do in the workshop? I built a birdhouse out of wood. Play. What's your favorite thing to do with friends? I love to play board games. Draw. What did you do during art class? I drew a portrait of my favorite friend. Teach. What's your profession? I teach mathematics at a high school. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos on YouTube and Facebook.